I was a bit tired. I don't want to develop the code myself. I just wrote the question, the requirements for the code, and then I fired up the ChatGPT Ellipse code that developed by me, utilize the API code and Python, and in a few seconds the question pop up, and I got a code, and then I have to. I don't remove the comments because these comments are very good to illustrate the logic. So I retain them, but turn them into comments. And because Emacs had a very good coloring for the Python, so the main code is now reviewed. And of course, I don't follow exactly the code that I modify it a bit to fit into my own code. And so take care of the proper indent of the Python. So now to make them, sort of formatting. So now to run. It still need to improve for certain formatting. So I changed it, and then finally, now that's good. Okay, now that's good. So all in all, ChatGPT can help a lot, and especially when you're tired. Okay, thank you.